Hello, welcome to this presentation for today. Today we are going to talk about understanding automated forex trading with FinTech FX Bot via hot forex market. My name is Edem. You can call me Ed. And this presentation is being powered by Extra Money Project Club. Okay, so in today's meeting and presentation, we're going to show you automated trading bot that you can use in making passive and extra income. So follow me as we go through this presentation. You heard that the presentation is powered by Extra Money Project Club. So what is it all about? Money Project Club, otherwise known as EPM Club, is a flexible, loose online group of interested members of the public across the world who are interested in exploring and taking advantage of one or more of the opportunity to crack extra income, be it in crypto or in foreign currency, in addition to their normal 9 to 5 salary jobs. The goal of this club is to tune a mindset to the 3 M's of money. And what are the 3 M's of money? Making money is one, managing money is another, and also multiplying money. So in the course of this presentation, you really need to see ways of using automated system to multiply your money. But before we do this, go into the main presentation, I would also like to tell you things that it is your mind that determines your next success, your next steps in life, because our mind is seriously affecting us in terms of how we take our moves, how we take the next steps, and a whole lot of others. And that is why the Bible clearly states in Romans chapter 12 verse 2, it says, "But be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God." So what that means is that if your mind is not renewed, you will not really understand that there is also money in the online space that are legal, and there are also money in the online space that you can set in your automated system to be cracking out this money for you. It is your mind that believes that you can do things and then you set foot to do them. So also remember that money will always match your mindset. If you feel and believe within you that you can make this extra money through other legal means, you can make it. But if your mind totally is blocked, then you cannot make it, because your mind is a flexible mirror. If you tune it this way, you see your image differently. If you tune it this other way, you see your image differently. So you really need to work on your mind. So by the time you finish this presentation, you need to sit back, reflect, and then have a positive mindset towards making. So when people hear about online space, online scheme, online project, the short conclusion is that they are all scam and Ponzi. But again, the question is that, so those of you that are watching or listening to this video, I know and I am very sure that you have lost some money in one or more online schemes. Does that mean that all online schemes are scams and Ponzi? The answer is capital no. The next question is that, are there genuine online schemes available in today's world, in today's online system? The answer is capital yes. Why? So, but let's look at it. If we put online business and offline business, does it really mean that people don't lose money in offline business or physical or sometimes people call physical business. If you look at this presentation, this is someone that have invested his or her money in purchasing eggs in crates. But suddenly what happened? You can see in this picture a whole wheelbarrow of crates of eggs all poured down and they all broke. Does it mean he did not know, or is it not also an offline business? People lose money as well in offline business, physical business. We all know the African richest person, which from Nigeria, Aliko Dangote. Report has it, press report, published report, which means verified report, has it that on 10th August 2022, Aliko Dangote lost 351 billion naira in 6 hours. He did not venture into online scheme. He has cement companies, he has other group of companies. Again, in 11 January 2021, this same man, within 24 hours, lost $900 million. Multiply that with maybe current exchange rates of your country in those years, and you now see what this man lost. Okay, but he did not venture into offline business. Is that Aliko Dangote dead now? No, he's still alive. Is Aliko Dangote still engaging in his business? Yes, the answer is correct. So we say that the fear and our mindset is what keeps us very, very low and is what keeps us down. And I want to share this quote with you by Robert Kiyosaki. He says that, and in all years, I have never met a rich man who has never lost money. But I have met a lot of poor people who have never lost a dime investing. So what that means is that the rich people you see today walking on the street, you hear their names on the media, they have equally lost money. But there are a lot of plenty poor people you see on the streets around your neighborhood that have not lost money because of the fear of losing. So if you introduce investment to them, they say, no, I will lose money. But have their status changed? Has their situation changed? No, their situation has not changed. So it does not necessarily mean that when you don't invest money, or it gives you more money. No, it is only investment that gives people more money. So if your fear of losing is greater than the hope of winning, then you are comfortable with your present condition. This business I'm about to tell you today is not for you. I repeat, if the fear of losing is greater than the hope of winning, then you are comfortable with your present condition. This business is not for you. So you are free to pause this video and go and do your other business. But if your fear or if your hope of winning is greater than your fear, please follow me to the end of this video. So what are we talking about? We want to talk about Forex. So what is Forex? Forex means foreign exchange. That is the act of buying and selling currency, that is foreign currency, in the market. It is a decentralized system where currencies are bought and sold on a daily basis. At the decentralized system, it is done Monday to Friday. But again, we all know the bookies who are the popular currency sellers around the corners of our streets. You see them, they sell and they buy, they sell, they buy, they sell. You want to travel abroad, you go to them and they exchange and they sell dollar for you or euro or pounds. And then you exchange with your local currency. If you are in Nigeria, you exchange with Naira. So they buy, and by so doing, that exchange brings them foreign exchange, brings them the needed gain and profit. So this is a very big market globally, and it has lasted for years. Currently, what exchanges hands in the foreign and stock market on a daily basis is about 7 trillion naira. That's $7 trillion, sorry. The foreign exchange, the common currency is dollars. So $7 trillion are bought and sold on a daily basis. And what that means is that it's like you putting in your pocket 20,000 naira and you stroll out on a walk, and then as you see people, you keep on putting your hand in the pocket and dashing them that money. By the time you come back from your work, your pocket will be empty. If you want to go out again tomorrow, you pocket again another sum of 20,000 naira. That is how this market works. So $7 trillion is sold out every day on this foreign market. So it is the biggest market. So is Forex trading a scam? The answer is capital no. But if you cannot identify a regulated and a global accepted broker, then if you fall into a fake broker or those people parading themselves as forex traders, and then they want you to give them your money for them to trade and then give you profit, then you might be falling into scammers and Ponzi schemes. So the best thing for you to do is to identify the automated system, or you acquire the skills to learn and trade by yourself. So there are two options that will make you know and identify that forex trading is not a scam. So I've said, if you cannot identify a good and regulated broker and you fall into a fake broker, then they are going to scam you. Then if you also see those parading around your neighborhood environment or in the social media as they are good professional forex trader, bring your money and let's trade and share the profit with you, then you are heading to be scammed. Okay, so be guided. The only sure way which you can make money from the forex market is to identify automated system trading bot which you can connect to and then be making your money, or you acquire the forex trading skill. So, but let me also use this opportunity to share with you some basic statistics about Forex. Now, Forex, like I said, is a legal business, is a global legal business. So which countries have the most Forex trader? The first country in this study is United States of America. United States of America has the largest Forex trader in the whole world, followed by Japan. Now, when it comes to Africa, Nigeria has the highest Forex trader with over 300,000 Forex traders. And then this is followed by South Africa. Now, in the whole ratio, global ratio, women forms only 10% of the Forex trader in the whole world, leaving about 89.9% being male traders. Then what are the most traded currency pairs? It is Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Great Britain pounds and US dollars, Australian dollars and US dollars, New Zealand dollars and US dollars. These are the most traded currency pairs. What are the trading platforms? There are two trading platforms you can use in trading Forex. These are either you trade either using the automated system that I'm going to introduce to you, or other ones that you have heard, or acquiring the skills to trade by yourself. And if you do any of those, you have to use this trading platform. One is MetaTrader 4, which is popularly known as MT4, or you use MetaTrader 5, which is popularly known as MT5. Now, they are globally recognized and regulated brokers around the world, and some are very, very available in Nigeria and in the country in which you are watching these videos from. Some of the popular ones that we know are Trade, FX Trade, Hot Forex Trade, Paperstone, XNet, IG, Plus 500, XM, Alperi, PU Prime, Amzo Capital, IC Market. These are just few of them. You can also go into and do your own research to get to addition to this. Then moving, I told you something about the popular bookie that we see around the streets that are trading foreign currency. Okay, but we are in a society, we're in a world that is now in a connected economy where things are connected. You can pick your phone and dial some foreign numbers abroad. You can stay on your phone and send your email, stay on your laptop and send your email. These are connected economy. That is where the world is moving into. So hardly before people go walk into the post office to post letters. So what are we saying? Now we are saying that Forex trading has changed from where the Aboki man stands by the corner street to exchange money into what we call artificial intelligence, which is otherwise known as IA. Now we are looking at artificial intelligence versus automation. These are for you. Now, one of those IA and automated systems, which I'm going to introduce to you, is called FinTech FX Bot. You can see the logo there, so you don't miss this for anything. So FinTech FX Bot is a product of FinTech Academy. I'll get to tell you more about FinTech Academy as we move on. So they use one of the global accepted Forex broker, Hot Forex Market. That is the platform, that is a broker FinTech FX Bot is using in trading. So FinTech FX is an automated trading robot that trades for you 100% hands-free. What that means is that you set it up. Once you set it up, you don't need to do any other thing apart from waking up in the morning or any time of the day just to log into your MT4 or your MT5 to see how the bot is performing the magic for you. So why are we talking about FinTech FX Bot? Why am I introducing this bot to you? The reason is that it is fully automated. Another reason is that I know you have been looking out for other means of making extra income, or what we call extra money. So this FinTech robot is here to help answer that question and solve that puzzle for you. So you don't need any knowledge about Forex trading. We talk about currency pair. When you go into the Forex market, you hear about resistance, you hear high, high, low, and all those kind of things. You hear spread, you hear pips, you hear a lot size, and a whole lot of things. So in using fintechs, you don't need to learn anything. You need to have any required skills. So you just need to follow the system, the instruction, and then you plug in and boom, you go. It trades 24 hours, Monday to Friday. That's how Forex works, Monday to Friday. It helps you trade without your emotions. And here we mean, if you acquire the skills to trade yourself, you can just wake up and see that your trade is going against you and it's eating into your capital. And you might just wake up and stop that trade and then pull out your funds. But it doesn't work that way using the automated system. Even when you will experience loss, but if you allow the remaining capital to be there, the robot will trade with that available capital and build up new profit until your capital is totally recovered and then you start making profit. It has happened to me and I'm very happy about it because the system has a stop loss and take profit settings. So it will not blow your account to zero. So even though you have a minimum amount of $100, it will never blow your account to zero because the automated system have a stop loss and a take profit setting, which is very, very good. Now, FinTech Robot is the cheapest robot in town with good results so far. I've seen robot, somebody have introduced robot to me that I should buy robot for $3,000. I've seen robot for $1,500. I've seen robot for $1,000. I also have another robot I have bought for $500. They are robot for $300. But FinTech Robot is just $100. That is to say, it is even for the poor and those that don't really have to go into this system, to plug into the system and be cracking out extra money. So right now, the bot is on promo and it is $50. Imagine that. And it's $50 for the next 3 days. So the strategy here is that if you don't have uh, investment capital, you can now buy the robot and keep. It will not expire. It is a lifetime purchase. So it will not expire. You can buy you key into the promo now, buy the robot $50 and keep. Whenever you have your minimum startup capital, which is $100, you can now plug in and start. And now the good thing is that FinTech Robot has a profit sharing formula, which is 80-20. You, the investor, will take 80 while you give your profit of 20% to them for giving you this. And this profit share is done every two weeks. Every two. So I earlier mentioned the platform the forex broker FinTech has gone into alliance with and which they are using in the trading. And they are called Hot Forex Market, otherwise known as HFM. Who are they? These are regulated forex broker and they have over 10 years experience trading forex, trading assets for the world. Currently, they are global broker, but currently they have offices in Nigeria. They have in Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and other places in Nigeria. Your funds is safe with them because they have your funds security is a top priority to them. The good thing here is that they transact in Naira and your withdrawal is paid directly into your bank account. We know the current issues with Nigerian Central Bank regulating cryptocurrency transaction and the whole lot. And a lot of people are still behind when it comes to cryptocurrency. So because of that, it will be very complicated for them to change their Naira to crypto. And then when they are withdrawing into their wallet, sometimes because of one thing or the other, once you have mistakes in your wallet address, then your money will get missing. So, but for me, this is very good because they transact in Naira. Even when your profit you see and your investment is in dollars, but they will now use a favorable exchange rate depending on the day you want to withdraw and exchange it for your dollar for you and then pay you into your Naira account. Another good thing is that if you have a domiciliary account in dollar, they can now also you can withdraw into your domiciliary account. The good thing too is that if you're an affiliate and you are partnering with HFM, they will also be paying you rebates depending on the spread and of the lot size. Their rebate ranges from $2 to $7 depending on those factors I have mentioned. They have very good customer service. Once you begin registration, they will assign a custom account manager for you, and this account manager will constantly call you and guide you through your setting up and everything. They also have a very fast withdrawal services. Now let's look at some trade results that this bot has done in the past couple of weeks. This is an account of $1,000. In one day, the bot made $26 profit in just one day. In just one day. And if you multiply that with the current exchange rate, you now see that in one day, this investor of $1,000 got equivalent of 19,500 naira. You can do the conversion in the country in which you are watching this video from, but because forex trading is a global business, so the currency of transaction and payment of profit is in dollars. So you can as well do this business in any part of the world because dollar is universally accepted. Also, you can also see here an account of $100. Like I told you, FinTech accept a minimum of $100. This account in one day made $8. That is about 8% of the trading capital. And you translate that into naira, it amounts to about 6,000 naira. You can as well do the conversion in the country in which you are watching me. In another, that same account is not another account. That same account that made $26 again made in another day made $76. If you multiply that by 750, which is the dollar exchange rate for Nigeria, you see that this investor made a profit of 57,000 naira in just one day. This is almost like someone's salary in a 9-to-5 job. Now, this is another good news from the FinTech, the results we got. This is an account of $200. Like I said, the bot also make losses. So if you see, the bot experienced loss of about $77. Like I said earlier, this bot cannot blow your account to zero. So if you take out $77 from $200, which was the investment capital, what was left and saved because the setting of the bot had a stop loss was now about $133. And the good thing here is that the robot, if the investor does not have a feeble mind, the person would, if the person refuses to withdraw the balance and allow it to trade, the following day, the robot would trade on that balance and he will now begin to make profit until the robot will recover the $200 investment and then begin to make extra profit on it. So that is it for the. Now, we also have another performance here. This is an account of $100. This person invested $100 and allowed it to run for some time and then made a total profit of $883. If you multiply that with the exchange rate in Nigeria, you see that this person with his $100, which is like almost 75,000 naira in Nigerian currency, you can multiply that with the currency of your country where you are watching this video from. You realize that this person over a period of time has made 662,215 naira. This is huge. Then you also see here where somebody had withdrawn $4,840 into his own crypto wallet. I would like to say here that these are past results and does not guarantee future results. So you don't need to come and quote me and say this is what Adam said. No. This is Forex market. It is very, very risky. So you lose some and you win some, which is normal in every life, which is also normal in every business. You saw what Dangote lost in 24 hours and also in 6 hours. So what do you stand to gain if you join this business today? You start earning in dollars. You see that young man there? That is me. You see dollars there? So you too, you can begin to earn in dollars if you have made up your mind. So you can begin to earn in dollars. If you want to receive in dollar, you receive in dollar. But if you want them to convert it, then the broker can convert it into your local currency. Like I said, in this business, you cannot totally lose all your capital because of this. The bot has a way of balancing it. the stop loss and take profit setting will enable you not to lose your money. So the fear of losing your money, your capital to zero, is totally rolled out here. Then if you join this and partner with Hot Forex, you can now sign on with them to become an affiliate, and they'll set it up for you, and then it is your affiliate link that you now be sharing, and any new investor that sign up with your link will also be given rebate. Rebate here, basically I've talked about it, it ranges from between $2 to $7, depending on the spread of the profit which the investor will make. Okay, so that alone is calculated. You can allow it to be there over a period of time. You can accumulate depending on how many people you introduce to this very good option. Then another thing is that if you join this business today, you stand a chance of buying the robot very cheap, which is the cheapest robot so far. You also have a chance of joining the FinTech Forex Academy, where you can learn how to trade the Forex market yourself. And this academy is totally free. The Hot Forex too also organizes seminar, and they have resources in their back office where you can watch and learn how to trade Forex yourself. So these are some of the things you stand to gain. It will also give you opportunity to begin to build your digital assets. We know the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, and the rest. Some of us are trying to buy this coin, but we cannot buy. But if you go into this business, you can begin to just save your profit, and it will be accumulating there for you into your crypto wallet, and boom, you have begun to build your digital asset. Another good thing about this business is that your profit is on a compounding interest rate. I will soon show you the power of compounding. Then you now can understand this business more better and appreciate it better. This is not a Ponzi scheme. It is not Yahoo Yahoo. It is legal, and it is auto. Now let's look at the power of compounding interest. Assuming you come in today, 9th of May 2023, with just $100, and if this robot is to trade for you at 2% every day for one good month, the robot would have made $60.84 for you. If you change that into Nigerian currency, the naira, using the prevailing rates as at today, 750, you end up earning 45,630 naira. That is what we call extra money. And these are the kind of money we want members of our club to be making. This does not stop you from going about your normal duty. This is just for $1,000, for $100. So you can imagine this: if you had invested $1,000 for just 1 month, without touching, without withdrawing. Imagine for $1,000 for just 1 month, 9th of May to 9th of June, they profit at 2%. Some days this robot makes up to 8%. Today, as I'm talking to you, this robot has made $86 for me. That is about 8.6% on my $1,000. That's 8.6%. So assuming the robot does not even trade again for me for this week, today is just Monday, assuming the robot does not even trade for me again for this week, assuming he had traded 1%, 1%, 1% for 5 days, that would have been 5%. But today alone, the robot made 8.6% for me alone. So assuming he makes on the average, we're basing our compounding interest on the average, the lowest percentage. Assuming he did it on 2% for 1 month, you would have cracked out $608 dollars. If you multiply that by prevailing rate of dollar, it will give you 456,000 naira. That is like almost 5 persons salary. There are people that are working like the security guards that are being paid 30,000, 20,000, 50,000. Divide that by this amount of money. This is just extra money that have been added to you. So assuming you are just at the lower cadre of your job, your 9 to 5 job, and you save up money up to about 750,000 naira, and you put into this business, the next month, this is what you will make over power of compounding. Let's look at this. Assuming you decide to put this business in what we call autopilot, and then you have $100. If you have $100 and you just decide, what is $100 in Nigerian currency? That's about 75,000 naira, or at most 80,000 naira. You just have 80,000 naira and you have already acquired the bot, and you just say, oh, this 80,000 naira, well, let me just test the water. You just do all your setting, register, and then do all your setting, and just throw in this $100. If the bot trades for you from now, 9th of May to 9th of May 2023 to 9 January 2024, with your $100 at 2%, excluding Saturday and Sunday, that makes it about 100 and that makes it about 245 days. The bot would have made extra money for you of $3,900. Multiply that by the currency of your country, or even in naira, and you now see what that will amount to. But again, if you have like even 1,000 naira, $1,000, and you decide to test this water, again, with just 2% trading interest on a daily basis, what you will make here, the bot will trade for you from May 9 to 9 January 2024. The bot would have made you $15,495. I repeat, $15,495. That is what the bot would have made for you for your $1,000. So meaning a whole $14,000 is what you make as your extra income for keying into this opportunity today. But again, I would like to do this recommendation. This recommendation is what I call risk management strategy. Recommended risk management strategy. So for the fear of unknown, and for those that are not comfortable with online space, but hearing me today, they just want to test, this is what I will recommend for you. I recommend that you invest, be it the least amount, which is $100 after buying your bot, or you will step up your investment to $200, $300, $500, as the case may be, based on your risk appetite. What you can do is that you invest and you withdraw 2 times in a month. That's to say, monthly or every month you withdraw. So you withdraw your profit gradually until you recover your investment capital. Once you get out your investment capital, you can now allow the system to run maybe for a longer time, and then it will be compounding for you, and then you can now be withdrawing maybe after 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. So that is how to stay safe. So what am I saying? You invest, you withdraw maybe after 2 weeks, or every month you withdraw your capital or your profit until you gain back, you recover your capital. Then after that, you allow. So what can you do with the automated trading system? If you key into this system, after recovering your investment capital, You allow it to be on the autopilot. This is what you can do. It can help you pay your monthly bills, data and cable TV, buy cooking gas, and a whole lot of other things. It can help you be paying school fees. For instance, the school in Nigeria just resumed. You can just be planning for the next session by just taking some amount of money, be it $100, be it 200, depending on the school fees, and then use the forex calculator, compounding calculator to put in, and then you can easily determine what you will get using the least trading profit interest. So you can now begin to pay school fees, purchase land, which is the long term. We know how lands are expensive in any country of the world. So you can put some money there, allow it to run on autopilot, and then you use that proceed to buy land. You can also buy houses, which is also a long-term project. Fund charity works, including NGO project. A lot of you that might be listening to me, you are either in the NGO, you are a founder of NGO, and you have been struggling for grants. Donor, you write proposal. This is an opportunity for you to look for money and put in, allow it to run on autopilot, compounding and cracking dollars for you. And then you can be taking it and be implementing your project little by little. It can help you pay medical bills. It can serve as your retirement pension. A lot of us have worked, and imagine the federal government of Nigeria and even the cross-border state government have just increased the retirement age of people of workers, and they were so excited. So I begin to look at if why is it they call it job security? But if you have a system where you plugged in and allow it to run on autopilot, compounding for you, you don't have to fear. You don't even need to continue working for people. It can help you pay medical bills. I've said that. It can help you generate funds that you can now begin to set up scholarship opportunity for underprivileged children. You can help you raise funds that you can help in feeding the poor families around your neighborhood. Purchase cars of your choice if you are. Now, forex compounding interest rate comparative advantage with deposit with banks. Some people feel that, oh, it's better I put my money in the bank. Ladies and gentlemen, the bank's rates are very, very poor and cannot make any significant change to your life looking at your daily needs. For instance, GTB Bank is saying that they are offering about 4.95% if you deposit money there. Access Bank says 5.25% per annum. That is to say a whole year. So if you put money there, for instance, you put $100 or 100,000 naira, as the case may be, they will only pay you 5% of that amount of money in a whole year. Now, another interesting part is the Stanbic ITC. Stanbic ITC says they will still pay you this interest that ranges up to about 5%, but at the end, when you are getting that interest, they will still charge 10% withholding tax on it. The highest I can see here is a Fidelity Bank, which is also paying 6%. So this is what whatever you want to put into the bank and put some on autopilot, then using the FinTech Robot, then you should be able to crack out some dollars, as the case may be. Ladies and gentlemen, having heard the benefit and what you stand to gain, let's look at how do you get started on this FinTech Bot. First is to get your mind. You need to build up your mind. You get your mindset ready that you want to go into an online automated legal business. So then connect with the person. If you are watching this video for the first time and then you want to connect, then look at the description of this video or the comment section. There will be a link there for you to copy out and then put on your browser and then begin your registration. So the link you will see here will be the broker link, which is the Hot Forex. So begin your registration there because the FinTech Robot works with this Hot Forex broker. So begin your Hot Forex registration and then download MT4 or MT5 from Google Play Store or your iOS store, and then fund your hot forex account based on the currency of your country. Okay, and then during this, if you need the account details to fund, you can also reach out to your account manager in hot forex. They will now talk to you and then help you with it. Otherwise, if you are in this club, we'll have short videos. We'll share videos of how to fund, how to register, how to fund, how to connect the FinTech robot to your broker, and then how to link your MT4, your MT5 to your broker, how to withdraw your money and all that. So if you want to join our extra money project club, look into the description of this video. There is a WhatsApp number. They chat that WhatsApp number. You'll be added to the group, and that's it. So away from the automated trading, if you also need to acquire the forex trading skills to be trading by yourself, so FinTech also offers this academy. In the academy, they do forex training, they sell trading robots, they also do fund management, and they also sell or send out trading signal. In case you are so busy but you have the skills but you cannot do the analysis, you can buy signal from them. You can subscribe to their signal channel. You can also do copy trading with professionals in the academy. You can also they can share fundamental analysis and technical analysis. These are the two key analyses that are there in the forex. So I just want to ask you this question. You are running away from online business and concentrating on either your physical business you are doing or your 9 to 5. My question to you is that what is your plan for your retirement? There are some certain jobs you cannot do again when you are aging. So what is your retirement plan? FinTech automated trading robot can serve you. If you... Having said that, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to do this disclaimer. I am not your financial advisor or consultant, so all information shared here is just for the purpose of this presentation and for you to digest it. So I'm challenging you to go do your personal due diligence and take your personal decision. Don't say it is Adam, you heard from Adam. Okay, I'm only offering you some information that you can use to change your life. But the decision to go into it is totally yours. So don't base your judgment and decision on my words. So go do your intelligence gathering, do your due diligence, and if you are interested, then contact the one. Like I said, you can join our club. So the number is here, +234 803 7114 770. That is my direct WhatsApp line. So you can WhatsApp me, send me text. Say you are interested, you want to join our online club, Extra Money Project Club, where we are cracking foreign currency through crypto trading and forex projects. So you can join. We have several other projects. So as you join the club, we'll be introducing them one after the other. Or you stay on this channel, subscribe to this channel, and each time we upload new videos, you will also get to know them once you turn on your notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you to the world of automated forex trading using FinTech Robot. Thank you very much and have a nice day. If you have any question, make comments, make them available at the comment section of this video. Thank you very much and God bless.